This is Studies Weekly. I use this in my fourth grade class for social studies. I offer both the online version as well as a hard copy, whichever they prefer. For example, this is our fourth grade, and this has so many accommodations for our diverse learners. Some of these accommodations include our large print for visually impaired. We also have where it can read the
A
text
map
to
is a
you.
picture or drawing of a place that shows.
And also has the highlighted cursor that goes along with the words to help you follow along. You can change the speed of the reading. If the reading is too fast, you can slow it down. So students can better listen, or they can speed it up, whichever fits them best. There's also videos to watch. The videos are offered in English and Spanish for our EL learners. This really comes in handy if they need it in Spanish rather than English. There is also an Explore More section. This offers though extra things for the students to do for our GATE, for our high achievers. If they finish early, there are other things to be studied. There's projects that they could do, that they could choose from. There are leveled readers that I use in small groups. This really helps with my different homogeneous grouping. While in Zoom, both myself and my instructional aide can work with different small groups, and I can hop around to help those students that need the extra help. Also, let's take a look at the assessments. The assessments are very diverse, and they have many different types of questions. So, for example, there's labeling, and then you have your word bank where you can just drag the word to the answer. There is multiple choice. The questions can be read to you.
Lines of latitude run across the earth from east to west.
So that comes in handy. It can be very helpful with the students. There's more labeling with our word banks. There is matching. And once again, everything can be read to you. This helps out with our EL learners. It also allows me to make accommodations for those students that might have an IEP or a 504. These lessons are also really nice. The assessments aren't, a lot of them are activities, so they aren't something you can just Google the answer, which prevents cheating. Learning online, that unfortunately plays a part um, with with not always being. The activities are or assessments are really nice because they're activities, and this helps a lot with prevention of cheating because it's not something they can just look up through Google. It's actually things that they have to do, like labeling the map. This is nice too. The added accommodations, students can zoom in if they need, say, a bigger picture. Also, along with the lessons, along with the assessments, um, you do have your standards that they meet. So this is nice when you do standard based grading. So once again, these lessons really help with meeting the needs of our diverse learners with all the assistive technology and support and um, being able to make those accommodations so that our students are learning in the best, most beneficial way possible.